All right, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something that I am pretty freaking proud of, and it is this right here. Wait, let me get a little bit closer. This right here, this slay, you guys. I'm so excited about it. I think this is my best install ever. Not to mention this hair is absolutely beautiful. So if you are interested in this look, these 26 inches, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this wig is from UNice Hair. This is their 26-inch body wave in 180% density. So first off, I'm just going to start with showing you guys the hairline on this wig. Now, I have tried a few, more than a few actually, of the wigs from UNice Hair, and this is one of their wigs with the best hairline that I have seen. So after I ended up plucking it, this is what it's coming out to look like. I did end up plucking this left side a little bit more than a right, but that is okay. So after I finished plucking it, I'm just taking this wax stick and applying it to the perimeter of the hairline, and this is going to help keep the hairs back. And after that, I'm going to bring out my handy dandy hot comb to go over wherever I put the wax stick, and I'm really just doing this so that my install will be as flawless as possible and I won't have any hairs like messing me up. And from here, you guys, I just took my hot comb and I just really pressed into the hair, making the edges, making the part, everything as flat as possible. I even took my wax stick, which I'll be showing you guys in just a hot second, kind of in between the hairline as well, and went over it with my hot comb too. And I think this contributed to just the flatness of the hair, the natural effect that I got. You see me just pressing on the part right here and just really getting it as smooth and as flat and as straight as possible. If I had already just applied my wig and then tried to do this with my hot comb, I don't think I would have gotten the same effect. I've done it a bajillion times on my channel and it's never come out like this. So I do think that having it on my wig stand, my mannequin head, using my hot comb with the wax stick and really just pressing it in there really contributed to how smooth it came out to be and how flat it came out to be. So I just really took my time with the hot comb, made sure my part was as flat as possible. And you know, you do want to be careful too, just to make sure you're not ruining the hair, burning the hair, or anything like that. So just keep that in mind really whenever you're using any kind of hot tool. So getting into the hair, this is all the hair, you guys. Super soft, super full as well. I will say I went on ahead and just flat ironed this hair because I didn't think the body wave was like defined enough for me to really keep it. And I just was kind of going for that sleek, straight look. And I very rarely wear 26 inches, so I knew I was gonna go for my just favorite look on myself, which is middle part straight long hair. So that's what I ended up doing. This hair flat ironed so well. You did not need to really take it in super small sections. I did not do that. I just kind of took it in like medium sections and did the comb chase method like I'm doing right here. And yeah, it took me no time to flat iron this hair at all. So this wig is a 360 wig, so meaning it has lace all the way around so that you're able to pull it up in a high ponytail. This gives you a little bit more styling versatility. Now, I had one issue with this wig. It probably would have been my ultimate favorite, all-time favorite, bestest wig ever, but it's not, you guys, and I'm super sad about it because it did not fit me. That is the main problem with 360 wigs. I typically don't do them on my channel because with any company, they never fit me, y'all. I do have a larger size head, so keep that in mind. And I think that was the issue with this wig, but it was like way off. Like, this is my disappointed face. So sad. But yeah, I didn't even like get to like the real hairline when I knew this just was not going to fit as far as trimming it off. So that's the only thing about it. I don't know if this wig comes bigger, but I just want to point that out because it's super important, especially if you're used to wearing, you know, larger size wigs. But if you have a smaller head, this will work just fine. So I'm just going in with my TGIN hard head spray like I have been doing the past couple installs. I'm loving this spray, you guys. Definitely loving it over the free spray because it dries so much faster and it gives me the same hold, especially when it comes to Swiss lace. So this is the side. See that it doesn't fit, but that's okay. I wear my hair in the middle for a reason, still not knowing it wasn't gonna fit, but we got a middle part, so it'll be covered up. So next, just going in and just doing my little baby hair. I did one side way better than I did the other side, and this side that I'm working on right now, I didn't do so well, but the show must go on. So I'm just taking my razor and just cutting off the excess little hair. So to lay my edges, I'm just using my absolute favorite Design Essentials foam setting lotion. It's the best, you guys. It gives me the best results when it comes to laying these little baby hair. I do want to point out that I am not doing that oh my gosh, I'm not doing the middle part swoop. I really wanted to leave that out of this install because not everyone likes it, and this is actually my first time, I think, not doing it on a wig install. And honestly, I think it looks a bit more natural without it. So if you're ever wondering what I'm using as well, as far as my videos go, like this black strip or foam and things like that, just check the link down below in my Amazon store. I put everything that I'm using for wig installs, products, hair hot tools, combs, brushes, everything that I love is linked in my Amazon store. So just finishing up with this look, adding a bit of powder to the part to define it a little bit. And I also did pluck a little bit of the part to widen it just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm just gonna go over my hair one more time with my Baby Bliss flat iron that I absolutely love. You guys, it's such a great flat iron. I've had it for like 2.5 years now. It's linked in my Amazon store as well, but I freaking love this thing. I've been using it like crazy lately. So love this hair. No tangles, no shedding thus far. I do want to point out this is a first impressions. It is my first time, you know, wearing this hair. So just kind of keep that in mind whenever you're looking around, shopping for new wigs and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is the final result. Great job, UNice Hair. I am in love with this wig, minus the fact that it did not fit. But other than that, I think it's absolutely beautiful. The install came out just like I wanted it. So if you're interested, I will leave all the information about this hair down below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. And that is it, you guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.